time we tried to start the engine, we saw that there was a lot of fuel coming out, but we didn't really know where the spark was coming from. Wires over here that go to the starter look a little bit frayed, and there's not really any electrical tape on it. So we're just gonna re-tape it, and then hopefully we can just check around the back, make sure that there's no other wires grounding out on anything, and then we can put it back together and try start it again. So after fixing the starter wire, we saw that there was a couple other wires that looked like it was exposed, especially a lot of wires that go to the distributor right over here. So we just taped everything up. Hopefully it's good. We're gonna put it back together now. We looked around the back and there seems like the wires back there are fine. So when we put back everything, I guess we can try start it again.
We found dogs, guys. Hey, puppy.
No, this is Jaja. She just drank so
That
much
looks like
water.
Jaja.
Jaja drank too much water.
Their owner's on their way to pick them up, though. Now we'll go back to Christine over here fixing the car.
Dylan just stopped by. Look how cool his car is.
Stop. Ready? Go. 1, 2, 3.
Oh shit.
Ooh.
Dude, it was right there.
To start.
It was right there.
It's like, come on.
Try again.
Oh my god, Rip.
I don't know if it's getting enough fuel though because it's leaking.
It's still leaking?
Yeah, I can hear it shooting out.
Bro, it's like,
It's about to
it's
turn on.
about to turn on.
Yeah. Well, we should try take it off and put it
Look
back
at her
on.
trying to ask for stuff because she wants to start it. Look at her, she wants to start it so bad. You guys know that car will start every time. This car don't have no brakes. This car is fine. This car is good. No brakes, no start. And what is that? You guys don't even know what this is. It's funny how Blaine put this hood on his car and then didn't ever take it off. But it looks cool. You guys don't even know. Ooh. Oh shit. Ooh. Ooh. My exhaust fell off.
So Christine is going ahead and putting everything back together. The O-ring on one of the injectors were bad, so there was spraying out fuel. So she went ahead and ran to O'Reilly's right before they closed and picked up a replacement O-ring kit. So she's putting it all back together right now, and hopefully there's no more leaks. We've been having not so great of a luck with some fuel issues with this motor, but other than that, I think it's gonna start. So she's putting it all back together, and we're gonna try and start this thing.
Hopefully it does.
Hopefully.
I'm so ready for it to start.
Oh.
Okay. It can't be like that.
That's excess fuel. Right?
Oh, come on.
You don't hear no spraying.
Yeah, I don't either. Okay.
Yeah.
Come on, Christine.
Yeah.
I'm gonna break this camera if it starts.
Oh.
Oh.
Yeah. Come on, come on.
Okay. Just wait. Hold on. Oh my gosh, I felt like it. Dude, it feels like it's gonna frickin'.
Yeah. Like, it just needs a little more wait to do the.
I know, and this car would be so nuts. We're like so freaking close.
It's so close.
You spray the starter fluid in your mouth and then spit it in. Oh no! Shit, no! Oh my gosh, Christine! That sounded so nuts!
Okay. Ready? Go for it.
Oh my god, dude!
Try it again. I have a bolt this long where this banjo fitting used to be. Do you think that it is obstructing the fuel rail?
Try it.
Ask me.
Do you think I should,
Yeah, ask me, yeah, Christine.
do you think that I should cut the bolt that I have in there down?
Oh, is that one too long?
No, this was a banjo fitting.
Oh, okay.
So do you think that I should? Oh my gosh.
I'm so excited. I'm so excited. I know. I'm like, do it. Just freaking do it.
I'm gonna cut that bolt down really quick. I think this is obstructing the view. Oh, not the view,
shit.
but the
fuel rail.
The fuel rail, because this goes like this and it sits above the fuel rail. You know, because the banjo.
Yeah.
Because it has the little.
Because the banjo goes like this, so only that is going into the fuel rail. And I have a bolt freaking
All the way in.
all the way in.
Maybe.
So I'm gonna cut this down real quick.
So basically, the bolt is long. And if you guys don't know, when the bolts are long, the car doesn't start.
Yeah,
So
short bolts are better.
Short bolts are better. And along with everything in life, it don't even freaking matter how long your bolt is. Sometimes you can't get that there. You can't get them to their, you know, you can't get them to.
You block
know,
it, actually.
You block it because it's too freaking long.
So lesson, more of the story is.
Yeah, and she's a girl. So nah, just.
I don't know.
Want to strip it.
I do not want to strip the rail.
Yeah.
That would be freaking. I mean, yeah. I'm gonna put this. Okay, tap it. It's gonna run.
It's gonna go.
But it's leaking fluid.
It's just leaking fluid.
You just replace that bolt. That's
Okay,
it.
that's it.
Yes, 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 yes.
It's gonna run. Yeah, it's leaking choke fuel, but it's gonna run. That sounded way better than all the other starts we just did.
Yeah, it did. It sounded like, you know.
That's 4 pistons going off now.
Yeah.
It just needs more fuel
Yeah.
on that side.
But
So
it's,
just that bolt?
yeah, because it's not holding pressure because of this. So the inlet's on this side, it fills this side, and then it comes to this side. But I had the long bolt blocking this other 4 injectors on this side. So
that's how come it was
not
only
spraying.
turning.
that's why I was yeah. So it'll probably run if we just
Crazy glue it.
You do that one more time. I just want to hear it.
Do it.
Okay.
Do it again.
Just try one more time. One last time for me.
What about the fuel?
Let's try it. Try it.
No, that's too much fuel.
That's too much fuel. You saw that?
Yep.
That was a lot of fuel.
That's too much. Yeah,
We know
replace
though.
the bolt, replace the bolt.
Replace that bolt.
Okay, other than the fuel, it's gonna run. I can't breathe with it.